So if you don't like my outfit, I don't wear it to make you like it.
Hola amores, welcome to mi canal. My name is Debbie Ruiz and thank you so much for joining me today. Like while I was making a video, you guys have probably already seen that video before. It's my January recent pickups, but I'm filming the same day, so this is why I still have the same everything on. But I got a package in the middle of that and I wanted to make a separate unboxing. So I don't have much knowledge of this brand, so I got a David Yurman ring. Hopefully it fits me. So this is all like brand new, like I just got the package right now, so we're going to see. But it is the Petite Buckle Ring and it's silver with gold accents on it. So it was, I think it was a really good price for what it was, so this is why I got it. So we shall see. If it doesn't fit on the finger that I want it to, I'm definitely going to have to return it. I'm definitely gonna have to exchange it. So yeah, once I figure out how to open this box without breaking it, I will report back to you guys. All right, so before I show you guys everything, remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video for more like these, and also follow me on Instagram. But yes, everything will be linked down below. But oh my gosh, so this is the packaging. Like it came all messed up because of, it's just because that's how it got delivered. But oh my gosh, so oops. Oh my gosh, I don't think I've ever actually gotten something real luxurious, like a designer jewelry piece that's like real, not from Amazon. Majuri is, oh my gosh. So this is the box that it comes in. There we go. This is the box that it comes in. Oh my gosh, is this lighting like even? I don't understand this lighting, I'm so sorry. But this is the box that it has came in. And I got like this card with like the care, like I just got like my receipt, and it gave me like these little care things to clean the jewelry with. Yeah, so I just want to get straight to it. So let us open this. Let me make sure I'm recording. Oh my gosh, how do I even open this box? Okay. Okay, so the box opens like so, and then here is the ring. It is so petite. Oh my gosh, let's not do this, Debbie. It is so petite. Oh my gosh, please fit me. Oh, I don't even remember what size I got, but it fits. Like this is so big for some people, but I wear like a size 8 and I wanted to wear it on my index finger and it fits. Let me test it. Let me test it out. To me, it fits my index finger perfectly. This is it right. Okay guys, so I just want to interrupt real quick. I ended up exchanging the size 8 because I felt like it was too big. So I exchanged it for a 7.5. And it fits my pointer finger. Sorry, my hands are really ashy, but it fits my pointer finger really good. You can't really, I might insert a picture or something, but this, it's not going anywhere. So this 7.5 fits my pointer finger super good. My other fingers, it's a little too loose. But I would say that David Yurman does run big. They do run big. So FYI, if you're thinking of getting a size that you think, I would just half size down, because I could even go with the 7 to be honest, and then be able to fit like the rest of my fingers, but I'm not about to do that. I'm just gonna use it on my pointer finger. So anyways, thank you. Okay. Here, so it's all silver, and then the buckle has 18 karat gold. it fits me good, but I don't know if I should size down on it, you know. I don't remember what size I got initially. I think it was a size 8. Let's see. It doesn't even say, honestly. But the thing is though, like my finger, like my index finger is like really thick, and nothing ever is like, everything is always too tight for it, so I never wear anything because the sizes that I get are too tight. And this fits me like good, like it doesn't feel like it's suffocating my finger. So, oh my gosh, let's zoom in on this bad boy. All right, there we go. So as you can see right here, it fits my finger perfect, and it's not suffocating it. And I don't like my rings to suffocate, you know, like I don't like my rings suffocating me. This lighting, let me move this. Let's see if this changes anything. I don't like my rings suffocating me, so to me, I like that. And I also like stack my rings, so, but I am completely obsessed with this. I never thought that I would be like a David Yurman jewelry kind of girl. For some reason, I don't know, I never really was into it like that. Wow, not into it, right? But I was just like not really into like the cable design. Like it's just very aggressive to me. But I think I like it when it's like petite or like on a small ring instead of like big on a bracelet. And I just think that it's so gorgeous, like, wow. And it's kind of like one of those, like, if you know the design, you know what it is. So yeah, hopefully this ends up working for me. Like one of my index fingers is thicker than the other, like this one is thicker, and I'm right-handed, so I don't like having things on my right, like index finger. I like having it on my left since I am right-handed. So this works out so good. Anyways, so that is the unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching this little quick unboxing. Please let me know down in the comments what you think of David Yurman. This is my first piece, and if you have any recommendations, suggestions about the fit of jewelry for David Yurman, please let me know down in the comments as well. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe down below and hit the like button for more like these, and follow me on Instagram for more fashion content. But anyways guys, muchos besos.